To keep your water heater working properly, it should be flushed every 6 months to remove sediment that can start to settle in the tank. To clean the tank, you will need a short hose, a flathead screwdriver, and an empty bucket. Continue to flush the water until it runs clean. If after a while you find that the water is clear whenever you flush it, you can stop doing it. Your water heater should be set around 120 degrees to prevent scalding. If you have small children, you may even consider lowering the temperature a little. Each temperature notch is a 10-degree change. Tanked water heaters are equipped with a pressure relief valve designed to relieve excess pressure from the tank. This only happens if the thermostat is malfunctioning and the water gets too hot. If the water gets to boiling, the pressure in the tank will open the valve and discharge the water onto the floor. If you see water on the floor near your water heater, you need to call for service. The power vent for the water heater takes any burnt gas and vents it outside to prevent carbon monoxide from being inside the home.